Crossovers and SUVs have effectively replaced the station wagon, and even the minivan, as the vehicle of choice for many families. If you look at the top 25 best-selling vehicles in America in 2020, 14 of them are crossovers or SUVs. While pickup trucks hold the top 3 spots, and they do just about every year, the popular Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V crossovers were the 4th and 5th best-selling passenger vehicles in 2020, respectively. So what makes these vehicles so popular? Well, with crossovers in particular, some might point to their car-like ride and handling since they're built on a car body. At the same time, they're more spacious than some cars and they offer higher ground clearance, which gives drivers an elevated view of the road. And some people just like sitting up high. While there's a lot to like about crossovers and SUVs, tuning the shocks and struts on a vehicle with a higher center of gravity so it still feels like a car can be challenging. As we've talked about in previous videos, there's a tremendous amount of work that goes into the design and performance calibrations of OE shocks and struts for each vehicle model and trim level. When a new crossover or SUV rolls off the assembly line, it has a specific spring rate that helps provide the ride characteristics for that particular model. The rest of the suspension components are tuned to function properly based on that specific spring rate. So why is that so important? Well, handling, stopping distance, and electronic safety features such as automated emergency braking all require shock absorbers and struts to perform exactly the way the vehicle manufacturer intended. When you're selling replacement shocks and struts for crossovers and SUVs, keep in mind that only manufacturers working directly with OEMs know the exact performance and handling characteristics of individual vehicles, and they're in the best position to help keep them operating as designed. KYB, for example, is original equipment on many of America's best-selling SUVs and crossovers. KYB knows exactly how these vehicles should feel and perform because they're on the test track with the automakers developing OE shock absorbers and struts for the SUVs and crossovers that we see all over the roads today. They leverage their experience and knowledge from working with the OEMs to design replacement shocks, struts, and complete strut assemblies that help keep your customers' vehicles driving like they should for as long as they're on the road. I'm Josh Cable, thanks for watching.